Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix Anbernic that is not turning on. So if you're interested, let's get started. So if your Anbernic device isn't turning on, there are a few things or two reasons or why it's not powering on. So first is it might be a power issue. So you want to check if it really is. So in this case, you want to plug your Anbernic here and let it charge for at least like 15 minutes. And make sure the charging light is on. If it's not, try a different cable or power source. Now after charging, try turning on again. And if your device has some charge but still won't turn on, try a restart. So in this case, you want to go ahead and basically press and hold the restart button once. Then press and hold, or you want to press and hold the power button to turn it back on. Now, in this case, you want to go ahead and press the restart button once, and then press and hold the power button to turn it back on. Now, if that doesn't work, in this case, the next thing that you want to do here is you want to make sure that you've done a firmware update. So to be speaking, you just need to go to the official website, which is anbernic.com. Now you want to go to the firmware update section here or page. And in here, you want to go and choose the appropriate device that you currently have. Now, in this case, you want to go ahead and download the appropriate updates for it and just follow the steps that they'll be showing you or will be included with download to install your firmware update. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.